Hey, do you want to create a website using AI? You don't know any coding knowledge and any others experience? Don't worry, keep watching full video because in this video I am totally explore you how to create a website using AI in just 2 minutes with zero knowledge of coding. So my name is Kalam. Let's start. At first I am going to hocus.com. It's help to create a website in just 2 minutes. So this link I will attach in description below, then check it. Then you need to log in here. Just you can see this is a dashboard. So I want to create a online shop, I click online store. I need a cosmetic store, so I select this one. If you want to create a beauty store, finance and haircut, tattoo, salon, makeup store, any others, every website, if you need just command here, this tool create for your website. Just you need to click for continue, then I wait a few seconds for the second option. So now you need to select a surface. What type of surface you example of facial treatment, hair styling, then skincare consultation. So I select this three one. You can choose any others. This is no problem and does not matter. Now I want to sell lots of products, so I select number one. If you want to write a blog, then you need to choose a number two option, get booking, a testimonial and a new customer. So you can choose any others, so I choose number one. So if you have a business address, you choose number one. So if you have don't have a physical address, you choose number three option. I don't have a physical address, I don't like this, so I choose number three option. So you need to choose your branding name. So example of I choose MKAPNQE. This is my branding name. So I click for continue. So you need to choose three unique aspects of your business. So I choose number three, friendly service and affordable of price. So this three in my favorite. You can choose any others, this that don't matter. Would you like your website visitor to contact you? So I would like to contact from. So I choose number one. Then my website are 8% ready. So this is my first option. Wow, this is really good and beautiful. So I choose I want to check number two option because I choose every process I want to check. Wow, number two is really beautiful, so I choose number two option. If you want to change any color option, here is the four type of color you are able to use in this website, and a four type of font you are able to use. So I choose default option because this is a better result from any others. So I click for create my website. My website are 90% ready. You see this website coding for me. Wow, my website are 100% ready. Now this website give me access like any others, customizable, everything customizable. You are able to use your own photo and own link, affiliate link like Amazon and Alibaba and any others, every link and any link. This does not matter. If you want to change your logo, put your home, about us, contact us, store, contact me, everything are customizable. So I don't need any customizable. And if you have a custom domain address, just put your custom domain, then transfer your website your own access. So if you don't have a custom domain, don't worry, this website give me a custom domain. It's 100% for free for you. This is a unit name, so use a custom domain. I click here. So I don't like any buying any domain, so I choose this is my, you can see this is my domain address. So I click for view website. Wow, you can see this is my own website, and any others party and any other person does not. This link I will attach in description below. If you are interested, please check it, and if hopefully you are able to create those type of websites. So if you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel, turn on notification bell, and see you again. Tata.